This isn't the first time I've recorded this. Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new Critical 182 video, and in today's video we're going to be playing a new game. And today we're going to be playing Car Mechanic Simulator 2021. Now I did try to record this a few weeks ago, but it was an absolute shambles. I recorded it about 11:30 at night and that just wasn't going to work. Everything got corrupted and that video has never surfaced in the internet, I can assure you. It's staying in the files. But it's now 10:15 in the morning, a few weeks later, and we're going to give it another go. So without further ado, let's pop the headset on and go and buy ourselves a car. Okay, so here we are in the game. Let's go to the auction place where we can buy ourselves a salvage car, because we're going to be doing a complete restoration of this car because we want something more that captures, I suppose, everything in the game. In this first video, to sort of get a right idea of everything that we're doing before we do some smaller car builds and maybe try and do some challenges where we can do a certain amount of cars in a certain amount of time. But without further ado, let's find ourselves a car. Now I have got some DLCs, like for the BMW here and the Porsche. I don't know if there is a Porsche in here actually, which doesn't look like there is. So I suppose what we're going to be doing is today we could either do the BMW 635 or the 2002 Turbo. But I feel like the 2002 Turbo is just slightly better for today because it's slightly more iconic, I suppose, and hopefully it will get us a bit more fun. Plus it's also a rolling chassis where it's not as good as the other one. But let me just quickly win this car, I'll get back to you. Okay, so we won it and now we're going to get to work on it. Okay, so here she is, looking very worse for wear. And yeah, so this episode's probably going to mostly consist of us stripping this down to bare metal and welding it and potentially painting the framework of it. Only because these videos I worked out last time would probably take about 3 episodes to complete, because it does take quite a long time to individually break down this entire engine and stuff. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. I think the best way to start is probably to remove all like the panels, like the boot lids, all the headlights, the bumpers, tail, well, rear lights as well, and just basically strip this down to bare metal, and also do the entire interior because why not? This game's quite fun, it's quite relaxing as well, that's why I'm playing it, because I found when I used to record stuff like Fortnite and all those games, they used to get quite annoying quite quick. But no, this is a fun game. So we've stripped down obviously all the outside, so then we're just going to need to where is it? Interior disassemble, remove all the seats, and yeah, doesn't really look too comfortable in there now. Definitely not. Definitely wouldn't want to sit in there for a long drive because there's absolutely nothing in there. And I tell you what, I reckon that is usually a black interior and that is mostly dust. That's probably quite disgusting actually, Jesus Christ. Oops. Oh well, I've got unlimited money. Who cares? If you can't tell, I'm pretty sure I've got hit with some late stage hay fever, so I myself am a little bit worse for wear. But you know what, does that matter? Absolutely not, because I will be back in action and better than ever. I won't be happy if I keep having to put this car up and down on the lift because it doesn't even let me access anything that's easily accessible from inside the engine bay without going under the car. But oh well. That's video games for you. They're not supposed to be easy. I want to fill the oil. I think I want to drain it. As if it's got any in the system. Where's our oil drain pan? Here it is. I'm going to go out on a limb here and say it has light. Oh, it does, it has a lot of oil in the system. But that did not look like clean oil, I can assure you. And I know what clean oil looks like. Well, I do, but I haven't just seen it in person, I suppose. I have seen it in person, but you get the point. I haven't seen it being removed from a car. That's what I meant. There are a lot of pieces that go into a car. Like, I knew that cars were very complicated, but after playing this game, I've realised like just how complicated they actually are. Especially combustion engines. Like, flipping heck. Although I can't imagine my little 3-cylinder engine Polo has anywhere near as much complicated shenanigans in it. That's not me dissing 3-cylinder cars, but you know, this is definitely a lot more complex. So I'm just a bit paranoid someone's going to come into the house, come back from work and ruin this YouTube video, so if I keep looking out the window, then that's why. Someone in the comments get a counter on how many times I look out the window. Or laugh to myself where I don't actually, where I shouldn't be laughing. Because I don't make that very convincing, do I? I don't know if you lot have seen the Call of Duty YouTuber, Noisy Butters, but seems to be able to convincingly laugh at herself for about 20 minutes. Whereas, and even Stampy could, but like there's me who just, yeah, cannot laugh to themselves without making it seem really awkward. Although I am just awkward, full stop I suppose, but you know. Right, why will this not come off? Ooh, whoa, let's drain that. Thank you very much. And what have we got here? Oh, we can do air filters in a minute. Yeah, we're gonna have to go under the car. I really do like brain cells. Fun. Yeah, we drained the oil. Oil bank come off. Bit of WD-40. Which I don't think is called WD-40 in this game. I figured out recording gaming videos is so like boring. It makes everything seem like it's going to be so boring, but then it's all in the editing, right? It's all in the editing, because as soon as I edit the video, I think, you know, that hasn't turned out too bad, and I use the classic quote, "Oh yeah, definitely my best video yet," even though it probably won't perform very well. But we move. So I'm just removing other parts of the engine. We got obviously our crankshaft, which just does not want to release because, aha. Okay. I bet it's gonna be gearbox oil in this, but I'm gonna remove it anyway. Because why not? Oh, there wasn't. Here comes the clutch. I burnt a few of these in my time as a learner driver. So let's get some WD-04. Well done. Just narrowly avoiding a lawsuit. Shout out Matt Armstrong for doing this stuff for real, because I would definitely not be able to do it. Ah, it's the fucking spark plugs. It's electrical. Wow. Am I surprised? No. Engine block is out. Yes, finally, we've done something productive. Colby, I missed the bin. Hang on, that's fixed. That's a dodgy air filter. Oh, my favourite. Fuse boxes. Another electrical thing. I've seriously just tried to remove things that weren't even removable. Moving like Prime Red Bull. You should have seen me and my friends in the gym the other day, moving like Prime Rebel with a pit stop on the deadlift, moving weight plates. Although then we got one of our friends involved and we started moving like a Prime Team Sober. So yeah, take that how you will. Sway bar. There's no death bolt in this. As if I know anything about death bolts, it's that they're not fun. I am convinced I can hear a car outside, but it's probably just in the game. Goodbye steering rack. Well, it's not going anywhere apparently. Now it is. See you later. Righty ho. What's over here? Brake pads, wheel cap, brake disc, bearings, wheel hubs. Oh, flipping heck. It's weird, I was completely fine yesterday. As soon as I go to record a YouTube video, the universe is like, no, you're not going to record today, Chris, because we're going to make you ill. It's probably trying to tell me something, and I'm not listening. Because why should I listen? What is going on here? Huh. Interesting. I suppose it's just a case of copy on the other side. Rear muffler. Take out the exhaust. Look at that. And then we just got the dodgy fuel tank with a fuel pump. Don't be any fluids. Yeah! And that, my friends, is one entirely stripped down car. Veteran YouTubers will probably be screaming at their screens right now because I've just said the word stripped, but you know. Oh well. That's what it is. So now it's time to hit the old welding machine and ready? 2,000 quid. Let's magically fix everything. That's reasonable. I reckon what we do now is we take it to the washing area and we paint it. Not paint it, but clean it and prep it for a paintwork piece. Oh. Interior detail. And what actual colour was it? I told you that was all dust. Look at that. It was all dust. And then let's do it outside wash. See what colour it actually was. I'm sure it was black, right? Ooh. There's a lot of dust on that car. But as you can tell, it does... Oh, that's just an external piece. You know what? It might not even need painting. But you know what? I've got unlimited money. Why not paint it anyway? Actually, you know what? No. Let's not paint it. I'm going to let you guys pick what colour we paint this car. Because why not, eh? And, yeah. Okay, yeah, so guys, I'm going to let you guys pick what colour we paint this car. Okay, thank you all so much for watching today's video. Hope you all did enjoy. If you did, remember to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. You know the rest. Everyone else told you millions and millions of times, I am sure. And yeah, without further ado, I'll see you next time.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the box.